awakens the farm to life. The hens cluck loudly, bickering near the chicken coop, while the cows lazily stretch in the pen, letting out soft moos. The sun slowly rises above the horizon, spreading its orange light over the dew-covered grass. Among the tall grass and trees, an old red tractor stirs to life. Its engine growls, and a puff of smoke rises from its exhaust into the crisp morning air. The tractor pulls away, passing the horse paddock. The animals raise their heads for a moment, twitching their ears and watching the machine with interest, before returning to grazing. As the tractor's wheels bite into the mud, spraying it everywhere, the horses remain unfazed. The tractor's first task is to plow the field for the new seeding. Its plow digs into the earth, cutting it with force and precision. Furrows are formed one after another, and a cloud of dust trails behind the tractor. In the background, frightened birds fly away with screeches. The tractor does not slow down, its engine is running at full speed, and the driver is driving it with skill. After several hours of hard work, the field is ready. The tractor returns to the barn to change the implement. Now it has a new task, spreading fertilizer. Its spreader fills with compost, and the tractor drives into the field with a bang. The fertilizer is spread evenly, and an intense smell hangs in the air. The cows in the pen raise their heads, smelling new smells, and the chickens peck at the ground in search of treats. As the sun begins to set, the tractor finishes its tasks. The field is perfectly prepared for sowing, and the tractor slowly returns to the barn. Its lights illuminate the road, and a long trail of dust trails behind it. Peace awaits in the barn. The engine turns off with a loud sigh, and the tractor stands in the darkness, ready for another day full of challenges. One day on the farm, the farmer faced an important challenge that he could tackle only with the help of his reliable partner, the tractor. A tractor is a versatile agricultural tool that combines power and functionality, enabling a wide range of tasks. From plowing and sowing to transporting crops and handling specialized jobs like mowing or snow removal, it is an indispensable element of any farm. Thanks to the tractor, the farmer was able to successfully complete his task and ensure the growth of his farm.